You supposed to be right there with them cones is. Right
Okay.
and you tell nothing but handicap.
All right. I told me you got this California, you need a horn. Yeah, that's a
Each service has about 40 seconds, all right guys, 40 seconds.
I'll tell you, Chief.
Some of these
They put us in the rain. You mean the spectators don't want to sit in the rain? Back now.
The Navy, the Marines, the Army, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. The debt we owe to them for past service can never ever be repaid. The debt we owe to those serving now and in the future will serve as an example of the dedication to our military, which makes us the greatest fighting force in the world. Just as those who have served in the past, those serving now and future men and women deserve to be recognized as true patriots they are, and justly deserving of a memorial such as you see here today. Words will never be enough to give thanks for these men, women, and their families who suffered separation from their loved ones, the inability to attend major occurrences in their families' lives, and for some, the total loss of a loved one. We therefore, the City of Millington and the community, take great pleasure in dedicating this memorial to those who have served in the individual services in whatever capacity, and those who died, honoring their country, and surely those who are still missing in action. Written by the wife of a retired Navy veteran. Then cut. All right, people, you got it? 1, 2, 3, then cut. One more time. 1, 2, 3, then cut.